back at the Whistle Stop Cafe. I've just fed myself, and we're here for the truck pull. This is a charity truck pull. Lots of nice machines around. You might recognise that one over there. I'm just putting a film together, mate. Do you want to give us a bit of background on it? And
background, as in
what charity it's for?
It's for Ysgol Team Morfa.
Yeah.
Sensory room.
Yeah.
It's to raise money so they can get their room repaired for the kids.
Yeah.
And I used to go to Ysgol Team Morfa many years ago.
Right. Okay.
It's a bit close to me heart, so
good.
That's why I've decided just off. I haven't trained or nothing. I'm just going to try and pull my truck.
Wow. Right. What's your name, sir?
Franko.
Franko.
Yeah.
All right. Excellent. And you're going to pull that?
I'm going to pull that 7.5 ton truck.
Well, you're a better man than me, sir.
No training, nothing. I might not do it yet.
Yeah, well, at least you're going to give it a crack. All right. Awesome. All right. Okay, seeing as you're going to do that, I'm going to chuck a tenner in for you.
Thank you very
All right.
much, sir.
Cheers.
It's not for me, it's for the kids.
Ah, yeah, exactly. For the kids. All right, Pete. Do you want to tell us a bit about this challenge?
Yeah, well, as I've just said, Franko, who's got a shop in the West End of Colwyn Bay, is going to pull his 7.5 truck for charity, and it's for the Special Needs School Tim Morfa in Rhyl for their sensory repairs to the sensory room.
Right.
So all cash that comes in today will be donated to them, and the Whistle Stop as well. The Whistle Stop Bike Club will give some money as well.
Excellent.
So yeah, it's a good time on all. Yeah. Yes, so hopefully he'll do the challenge, and we'll get quite a bit of cash to the school.
All right, this chap is Bloater, Pete, and he is the organiser for the Whistle Stop Motorcycle Club.
Thank you. Right, gents, ladies, let's go over and support Franko for pulling this truck.
Well, he's got a tablet to pull on, hasn't he?
Come on, Franko. You can do it, bro. Yes! Yes!
Come on, lad!
Come on, son! Come on!
Come on, Frank!
Yes!
Come on, lad!
He's doing it! You're nailing it, Franko!
Come on, lad!
Look at that! Is he man or machine? Way! Excellent! Well done, mate.
Well done, that man.
How you got the warm up?
I'll let him get his breath back before he gives a few words to his supporters.
We meant pull it to run, you know.
Can you do it again now for the people that missed it?
When you get your breath back, Franko, would you take up the words to your supporters? You got a couple of words for your supporters, Franko.
Thank you very much for supporting me today. At one point I didn't think I was going to pull that, but I did in the end.
You did, mate, and it was an honour to watch. Thanks, man. Cheers. And I'm sure the kids will be thanking you too.
Cheers.
Well, what we've done is we've done a truck pull. That's 7.5 ton back there with big engine.